Strasbourg isn't just a city, it's an adventure waiting to happen. I can't wait to show you why. Here, French and German cultures blend in every bite and every building. Picture half-timbered houses, sparkling canals, and the scent of fresh pastries around every corner. Strasbourg is grand, historic, and yet so welcoming. You feel it in every cobblestone and every smile. I've explored every nook, tasted every treat, and found the gems you can't miss. We're counting down the 13 best things to do in Strasbourg, from cathedrals to culinary treasures. Ready? Let's dive into the heart of Alsace. First up, the unmissable Strasbourg Cathedral, Cathédrale Notre-Dame de Strasbourg. Its pink sandstone spire dominates the skyline, a breathtaking Gothic masterpiece. Intricate carvings and stained glass windows inspire awe, even for non-architecture buffs. Step inside for a kaleidoscope of coloured light and centuries of history. Don't miss the astronomical clock, a Renaissance marvel with a quirky daily show. This cathedral is Strasbourg's soul. Don't leave without experiencing it. Step into the storybook world of Petite France. Wander cobblestone streets lined with pastel half-timbered houses and flower-filled windows. Once home to tanners and millers, today it's pure romance, perfect for dreaming and photos. Canals reflect old houses. Footbridges invite you to pause, and every corner is magical. Here, time slows down, and the city's charm shines brightest. Just beside Petite France, discover the ponts couverts, the covered bridges. The wooden roofs are gone, but the medieval towers and stone bridges remain, echoing centuries of defence and drama. Walk across and imagine soldiers on watch, protecting the city's heart. The views are spectacular. Petite France on one side, the Vauban Dam on the other. It's the perfect photo spot, capturing Strasbourg's blend of beauty and strength. Come at sunset for golden light and unforgettable vistas. These bridges connect past and present in one breathtaking panorama. Don't just pass by. Pause and take it all in. Place Kléber is Strasbourg's living room, always buzzing, always alive. Surrounded by elegant buildings, it's the city's main square and the perfect spot to feel the local energy. Grab a seat at a cafe, sip coffee, and watch the world go by. In winter, it transforms into a Christmas wonderland with one of Europe's tallest trees. It's where the city comes together. Don't miss it. Need a break from the city buzz? Head to Parc de l'Orangerie, Strasbourg's oldest and largest park. Stroll elegant pathways, paddle a rowboat on the lake, or picnic under ancient trees. Kids love the mini zoo and farm, but everyone loves spotting the storks, the symbol of Alsace, nesting overhead. The park is a peaceful escape, perfect for recharging and connecting with nature. Pack some local cheese, bread and wine for a true Alsatian picnic. Here you'll find a different side of Strasbourg, calm, green and full of simple pleasures. The Orangerie is the city's green heart. Don't skip it. Strasbourg isn't just history, it's a capital of modern Europe. The European Parliament's Louise Weiss building is a striking symbol of unity and progress. Tour the Glass and Steel complex, visit the interactive parliamentarium, or even watch a live session if you time it right. It's a fascinating look at democracy in action and a reminder of Strasbourg's global importance. The contrast between this modern hub and the old city is what makes Strasbourg unique. Even if politics isn't your thing, the architecture and atmosphere are worth the visit. Here, the city's future is being shaped every day. Art lovers, don't miss the Musée d'Art Moderne et Contemporain, MAMCS. The building itself is a modern masterpiece filled with light and creativity. Explore works from Monet to Picasso to cutting-edge contemporary artists. The galleries are open and inviting, making art accessible and inspiring. Don't skip the rooftop cafe for panoramic views over Petite France and the cathedral. It's the perfect spot to reflect on the art and the city around you. Mamks is where Strasbourg's creative spirit shines. For a taste of local life, step into the Alsatian Museum. Housed in 3 connected historic homes, it's a journey through Alsace's rural traditions and daily life. Explore recreated rooms, original furniture and colourful costumes that tell the story of the region's unique blend of French and German culture. It's hands-on, atmospheric and full of heart. You'll leave with a deeper appreciation for the people and traditions that make Strasbourg special. This museum connects you to the soul of Alsace. It's a must for anyone curious about the city's roots. Ready for a new perspective? Hop on a boat tour of the Ile River. Glide past Petite France under the covered bridges and see the cathedral from the water. The glass-top boats offer comfort and unbeatable views. No map or tired feet required. Audio guides share stories and history as you float through the city's highlights. Go early for calm waters or at sunset for a magical, illuminated cityscape. It's relaxing, romantic, and a perfect way to see Strasbourg's best sights. Don't miss this must-do experience. The city looks even more enchanting from the river. Foodies and shoppers, head to Rue des Grands Arcades. This bustling street is lined with shops and, more importantly, irresistible bakeries. Window displays tempt with croissants, fruit tarts, macarons and Alsatian specialties. Don't leave without trying Kuglof, a light almond-studded cake, or a fresh, chewy bretzel. Grab a coffee, pick your pastry and enjoy a simple, delicious moment on a city bench. Here you taste Strasbourg's culture one bite at a time. Whether you're shopping or snacking, this street is a feast for the senses. Rue des Grands Arcades is pure everyday Strasbourg. In winter, Strasbourg transforms into the capital of Christmas. The city glows with millions of lights and festive wooden chalets. Each market has its own theme, from the giant tree to Alsatian treats. Sip mulled wine, taste bredel and savour local specialties. Music, laughter and the scent of roasting chestnuts fill the air. Strasbourg at Christmas is pure magic. Just beyond the covered bridges, discover the Vauban Dam, a marvel of 17th century military engineering. Designed to flood the city's southern edge in times of attack, it's part bridge, part fortress, and all history. Walk the atmospheric corridor lined with old statues, then head to the rooftop terrace. The panoramic view is the best in Strasbourg medieval towers, Petite France, and the cathedral spire, all in one frame. Come at sunset for the golden, unforgettable cityscape. The Vauban Dam is where history, architecture and beauty meet. Don't miss this perfect photo spot. Number 1 on my list? The food, of course. Strasbourg's cuisine is a delicious blend of French finesse and German heartiness. Start with tarte flambée, thin crust, crème fraîche, onions and bacon baked to perfection. Try choucroute garni, Beck-off stew and sample the region's crisp white wines. From cosy windstubs to Michelin stars, every meal is an adventure. Wander, follow your nose and find a spot buzzing with locals. Eating here is about sharing, warmth and joy. The food is the soul of Strasbourg and the best reason to return. Come hungry, leave happy. That's a wrap on Strasbourg's must-see spots. This city is a feast for the senses, grand, cozy and unforgettable. I hope you're inspired to explore, taste and fall in love with Strasbourg. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Let us know in the comments what you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay hungry and keep exploring. Bye.